Eluktronics MECH-17 VR-ready mechanical keyboard gaming laptop, Intel i7-8750H Hexa core. Review deal discount unboxing setup. Will not go into much detail and try to keep it short and sweet. What I do with my machine. 1. Surf most of the time using SlimJet or Chome. Mostly SlimJet. Impressed with this browser that doesn't track as much as Chrome. 2. Stock trading software, which the one I use admittedly uses Java, so it is very responsive. 3. Spreadsheets for many things. 4. Older games, like AO and Need for Speed. Not the new heavy processing games. Have a desktop computer for that if needed. 5. I don't lug the laptop around, although I feel like I could if needed. Pros. 1. Responsive and fast. Attribute the i7 CPU, 16GB RAM, and the 512MB SSD using rapid store technology. 2. Went from a 5-year-old Lenovo IdeaPad Y5 70 15.6 inches. Figured I might not like the keyboard on this one, but I have had no issues adapting. 3. The screen is amazing. Good color, size, brilliance, sharpness for a 1080p. If you have been living with a glossy or reflective screen, you will love the upgrade plus the real estate. 4. Like the keyboard lights. They are adjustable and have had no problems with the software adjusting them. 5. It is not a fingerprint magnet. Not that I would have an issue if it were. 6. I have used the trackpad a little and it seems to work fine. But who uses the trackpad nowadays when you have wireless mouses? 7. No issue with fingerprint reader. But other than recording mine, I have not made any general use of it. 8. One stick of 16GB RAM, so there would not be a waste of memory DIMM should I want to add 8 or 16GB more. 9. Additional storage capacity should I want to add another HDD, M.2 SSD. 10. 3 USB ports should be enough. What do you need other than a flash drive, wireless mouse, and either an additional flash or DVD drive? There is such a thing as a multiple USB hub if you require additional devices. Cons. 1. For me, small sound. I enjoy listening to music now and again. The sound comes up short in my opinion with no low end no matter the adjustments that can be made. So I am debating on whether to turn this in for a better model that includes better sound or purchasing computer speakers or Bluetooth speakers for this laptop. Yes, it is that important to me. Probably would be better off and cheaper getting computer speakers as I do not lug this laptop around. Even a model that has low-end sound built in would sound better. 2. The 300 megabits connection has a weak signal. I am not sure this would be an issue as most internet connections are 100 megabits or less. However, my older Lenovo had no signal issues connecting to my router on the 300 megabits connection with great signal. This laptop only has 1 bar signal strength at that bandwidth. The 150 megabits connection connects fine with no issue and good signal strength. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.